The Translate Transform toolpath is a linear operation that allows the user to create a toolpath at one location, then quickly copy it to multiple locations without the need for further verification. Doing so can save a significant amount of time. For my manifold, I now have some of the toolpaths completed. I'm happy with the results and would like to set up my milling machine to machine 3 parts at once. To do this, I'll use the Toolpath Transform option. I'll select the Toolpath Transform operation, and when the Transform operation window opens, Translate will be the default type. In the Source Operations section, I'll select operation number 2, hold my Shift key, and select operation number 4. In the Group NCI output bar, I'll select operation order. This will cause each operation to machine at each part in order. On the right side of this window, I can copy the source operation, which will disable posting in the selected source operation. If the posting of the source operation was not disabled, then the first part would be machined twice. Or I can create subprograms for each operation to be run at each location. Or I can do both. I'll use the copy source operations and accept the default to disable the posting in the selected source operations. This will cause the original toolpaths not to be sent to the machine. A picture of a ghost will appear over them in the Toolpath Manager window. In the Work Offset, I'll enable Assign New, starting at 0 and incrementing by 1. For finite control machines, Offset 0 is G54, Offset 1 is G55, Offset 2 is G56, and so on. I'll leave the By Instance option on, so that each of the 3 parts will have their own work offset. I want each part to have their own unique work offset because until the machine is set up, I don't know the exact distance between the parts. I'll now select the Translate tab. I'll set up how many parts are to be machined and the distance between the points. The distance is only for simulation purposes, as the actual distance will be determined by the setup at the machine. I'll set the X instances to 3 and the Y to 1. In the rectangular field, I'll enter 6 for the X distance, and I'll now accept these selections. And I'll zoom out so I can see all the cut lines. Notice how operations 2, 3, and 4 have a picture of a ghost. This means their code will not be sent to the machine. I'm happy with these toolpaths, so I'll save my work.